The first equation is in vertex form. I changed the number on the inside of the brackets, -1, but kept the sign on the outside because it is +3. So I kept the +3 and changed the -1 to +1. Then after I did that, that got me 1/3, 1 and 3, which is the vertex on this parabola. And then I had to use this graph right here to give me the y and x values. So these are the normal y and x values on a parabola, and I multiplied them by half because I had to multiply the y values by half because that's the number right here. The second question, I got these two numbers, the zeros, on that line from the -3 and +1. Sorry, no, I had to change these signs so that it was +3 and -1. And then by dividing them, I got the middle point here. And by doing this equation here in the box, I got -8, which then gives me the vertex. To solve the rest of the parabola, I used this chart again, but this time instead of doing it multiplied by -half, I did it by 2. This third one, this is my final equation right here, which is y equals 1/3 bracket x plus 2 squared minus 3. To get that, I put in, so this 0 is from here, right here, and then I have equals a minus 5, the other part of this point. Then it is plus 2 squared. The plus 2 squared is because you change this number and then it's plus 2 instead of -2. And then the -3 is the other point here. So then I simplified it to be 0 equals a bracket -3 squared minus 3. And then I simplified it more, and then I got 3 equals 9a. I had to divide the 9a. Sorry, I had to divide the 3 by 9 so that I made sure that 9 was isolated. Sorry, a was isolated, and I got a equals 1/3.